Mr. Scratch and Smoke back here with a $20 185 million cash explosion from the Arizona Lottery. I got ticket number 7. Match and win. Money bag is 100 and 20 times symbol, 20 times the prize. Let's go ahead and see what my numbers are. Be nice to see that money back symbol. I haven't seen that in a while. You won't see it once on this ticket. $20 times, 20 times. Let's see if we can find anything to go with that. 29. Don't see a 29. 11. I don't think I've seen an 11. 24. Oh, it's a 23. There's a 34. 5. Don't see a 5. 18. 38. 28. It's a 39. And last number 1. There's no 1. Alright, let's see what's underneath this. Az'd again. I think this is number 6. Well, at least it's a win. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.